County Materials welcomes those who serve. We are a leading manufacturer of concrete construction and landscape products that has proudly employed veterans and service members for the past 75 years, offering them stable and rewarding careers. Our products help build the communities where Americans live, work, and play, because they support essential infrastructure and the construction of businesses, schools, hospitals, and homes. Our team members work together toward a common goal, the betterment of our local communities. Candidates and team members with military experience understand the importance of a strong work ethic, teamwork, and camaraderie. These skills are vital and highly valued at County Materials. Careers in concrete manufacturing are diverse and rewarding. Our recruitment team works alongside veterans and service members to align their skills with careers at our company, including positions in production, quality control, transportation, information technology, and more. County Materials is proud to foster a culture of recognition and appreciation. We celebrate team members' accomplishments and have specifically developed initiatives to show our support to those who serve. Advance your career and find stability in our growing company by visiting our careers page, workatcounty.com. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.